Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Twitter notifications on Android. To know how to fix or how to solve Twitter notifications on Android, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Twitter and you will enter. When you will see this page, you will go to click for stop. Then you will enter here storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And after all that, when you will end this, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.